Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add or change your username on your Qanda app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here. So you click here on money down here and just click on money. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on my page, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on edit profile here. Then you come to this list, you come here to username, and here can you change your username here. So when you just change it, you click on save, then it's going to save with you. So I'm going to add it here for example, then you click here on save here. So I have to add number for this or character. Then you click on change. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.